Okay, welcome muli po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. This is not game number 2 challenge no, sa ating intercompany challenge ng QBFL Qatar Federation Basketball League po ito. Haablay po tayo ngayon sa Abomhur in Iranian School. Abomhur po yan. And also, regards po sa kanyang commissioner po for allowing me to also to cover this matchup. Thank you po sir. More power po sa inyo po lahat. Okay, simulan po natin po. We're just waiting for the opening whistle. Of course, yung kanilang first 5. Sir, idol. Okay, just and also regards pala po sa kanilang commission po for allowing me also to set up also sa kanilang laro po. Okay.
Dalawang camera lang ang gagana, ha? Pag pinakilala, nakatawid sa unang camera, lumakad dito, ito papaganahin mo. Okay? Gets mo? Pag pinakilala, papasok doon, tatawid dito, ito papaganahin mo. Focus ka dyan, ha?
Hello.
Boss.
Grabe. Dami ng camera, sir. Production ako yan. Production. So, thank you po. Regards po pala po sa, sa commission po ng chairman, of course, ng
Magkano race? Okay na kayo?
again, tara, we're just waiting for opening whistle. Of course, yung kanilang first 5 starters po natin sa ating larong ito. Ilang camera ano yan? Ang kinocommand yan? Ilang camera? Production, halos ko yun. Production na rin yun. Magkano ano? Hindi, magkano yung power tawag yan? Anong tawag yung software niya? Switcher. Switcher. Kailangan pa ipaparallel mo, no? Parang through, i-connect mo siya, no? Kaya kailangan mo wifi, no? Kaya pala, nakakasagap ako ng wifi. Okay, we're just waiting for opening for the starters po tayo. Okay. We're waiting now for the opening starters. Antay lang po tayo, ha? Antay lang po tayo. We're just waiting now for the opening whistle. Maraming salamat po. Ikaw ang bida. Hindi, mag-model
Mga
ka.
nakamute.
Mag-model ka. Okay, good luck po sa mga Brad. Ingat lang. Okay, ito na. Okay, let's start now. Let's start now.
Number 2 for the best of 3 series para sa ating finals ng QFBL at pagkabalik Season 21 from Qatar Airways. Jersey number 16, the Pinquente, Nono Rivera, the fighter player of Vizcaya. Jersey number 19, the fighter Agusan del Norte, Darrell Uy.
Okay, Darrell Uy. Yan.
Jersey number 04, from Laguna, Mercado.
Darkas.
Jersey number 91, from Cebu, Vincent Bupataro.
Si Enteng. Ayan, si Enteng. Enteng ang kailang demolition man. Nandyan din
Jersey
pala.
number 12, the Pride of Cebu, Cardona.
Okay, yan si Enteng.
Jersey number 27, the Pride of Pangasinan, Ulises Sky.
Ayan, si Scott. Ayan, jersey 27. Yung kanilang skipper.
Jersey number 26,
Okay.
from Quezon, Team Kakulangan.
Si T-Mac. Okay, si T-Mac tinatawag na rin.
The veterans point guard, jersey number 48, the Pride of Cebu,
Okay.
Ariel Amamamba.
Sa Mampang, the Pride of Cebu. Yan, yung kanilang Hasselman.
Jersey number 4,
Jersey number
the
4.
Pride of Marawi City,
Oh, Marawi rin.
Jay Lupawa.
Lumawag, Marawi. Yan, Marawi City.
Pinagmamalaki ng Lucena City,
Lucena City naman.
jersey number 29, Natera.
Si Melvin Nadera ng Lucena. Okay, ah.
Jersey number 30, the Bigger Express, Di Guzman.
Okay, si Dugusman, the Bigor Express.
Jersey number 23,
Yan, jersey number
from
23.
Manila, Mark Saltin.
Salting, yung kanilang big man, si Salting. And of course, not but
Jersey number 15,
si Manson. Yan.
Rangers from Cebu, Philip Alvarado.
Ayaw. Hindi na kano, na-injury yata.
Jersey number 24, Julius Babaga.
Wala.
Jersey number 29, from Quezon, Melvin Radera.
Tawag na.
Jersey number 5, from Private Cavite, lugar ng mga bata ba, Renzo Gonzon.
Si Renzo Manson. Okay, that completes now. That completes now the lineup for game number 2 ng Qatar Airways. And of course, meron silang ano yata, injury yata to. Okay, now, kabila naman po. Yan po naman po sa, of course, sa GWC. Okay, GWC naman po. GWC Logistics naman. Tatawagin. Injury, boss? Injury? Gout? Head coach pala. Head coach.
From GWC Logistics, Standing 01, papahabayin na nila ang laban o tatapusin na ng Qatar Airways. Berher Lantambla, jersey
Okay, number 33 po. Tinatawagan po sa jersey number 33. Yan, jersey number 33 ng GWC.
Kevin Volante,
Okay.
jersey number 30.
Okay, Polante. Yan, yung kanyang big man. Okay, number 33. Yan po yung si number 33.
John Alvin Galina.
Okay, John Alvin.
Jersey number 9.
John Alvin.
Mariano Pico.
Okay.
Joseph Bien Salazar. Number 69.
Okay, yan po yung tinatawag po ngayon yung ano, i-focus muna po natin sa GWC. Yung mga kalaban po nila.
Salazar.
JL Salazar naman po ngayon. Wala.
Jordan Bacalalan.
Okay, pakalalan. Number 16 ng GWC Logistics. Yan.
Ray Olmos. Sabi ko na. Jonathan De La Cruz.
Okay, Jonathan De La Cruz.
Jersey number 6.
Jersey number 6, Jonathan De La Cruz. Baligante tayo, hindi muna tayo ng tubig. Baka tayo matunawan. Matuyan.
Ivy Kapati.
Okay.
Randy Calderon. Jersey number 10.
Jersey number 10, si Calderon.
Alfred Navarro. Jersey number 12.
Number 12, Alfred Navarro, tinatawag na rin. Ayan, sabi ni Kirshi Bakuy Akain, good luck daw sa AS o Qatar Airways.
Alberto.
Okay, Alberto. Wala.
Joel Velasco.
Joel Velasco. Playing coach yata, Joel Velasco.
Ang mga team captain. Jersey number 8.
Jersey.
Asif Orpilita.
Asif. Ayan, si Asif. Okay. Ito na. Tingnan natin po kung makakabawi po ang kid ng GWC over Qatar Airways o masabi natin Qatar Airways na will seize na the victory and thus the championship.
Pila tayo sa gitna. Pila sa gitna.
Okay.
Pila sa gitna. Yung maayos. Tingin para malita kayo ng camera, Joel.
For the opening. Okay.
Okay. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng 12 minutes. First quarter is the game 2. Tatapusin ba ng Qatar Airways o lalaman pa ng bakbakan ang mga taga-GWC Logistics? 5 fouls ang penalty, 6 fouls ang ating graduate. Okay. Sige po, sabay-sabay tayo.
Okay, the house as follows for the championships. 12 minutes of basketball action each quarter. Yan po yan. And now, we'll now wait now for the opening whistle sa ating kapanapanabik na game number 2 ng, ano po natin yan? Yan po ang QBFL Championships. Intercompany Championships po tayo.
Hello. Reminder po, yung aming mga mumo. Pakicheck.
Okay, house rules po. As per house rules, 12 minutes per quarter.
Pakitanggal po na yan.
Okay, 12 minutes per quarter po tayo. As per ano po yan, as per rules po. Ibig sabihin, total of time po is 48 minutes of basketball action po tayo. 48 minutes of basketball action.
Tayo sasisigaw sa bench.
And also, thank you pala po muli po sa kanilang chairman ng QBFL. And also, if you can catch also the game in their QBFL FB page po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, this is now 12 minutes of basketball action. Per quarter po yan. Talagang hingal kayo. Didila talaga kayo sa ano, kung wala kayo stamina. Okay, for the first quarter now. Starters for Qatar Airways. Si Escat, si Manson, si Lumawag, si Amampang, at si Dimac. Sa kabila na po, of course, sa GWC po, 6, si 30, number 9, 8, 33, at si number 68 sa GWC. Okay, for the opening jump ball now. Let's get it on. Okay, Qatar Airways versus GWC. Okay, opening whistle now. Opening whistle, Lumawag versus number 65. GWC. Okay, lumawag for the open jump ball. Pops up. Eto na. Nakuha. Malakas ang pasa ni lumawag. Mamson, fadeaway shot. No good. Number 8, rebound for the number 8 kagad. Number 8, pinapasa. Binababa ang bola. Lacambra, number 33. Lacambra. Number 9 GWC. And number 8 again. Nando, hindi nakuha. Lacambra, number 65. 69. Ryder pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Manson. Amampang leading the charge. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang layup niya. 69. Binababa ngayon. Salazar. Number 9. Agas lumawag. Binababa ngayon. 33. Lacambra. 69 again. Scott. Binapatay na rin si Salazar. Lumawag. Bumitaw. Number 8. Kumuha ng big. Nope. It's number 9. Number 8. Out of time. 24 seconds violation. Balik muli po sa Qatar Airways ang bola. Okay, Qatar Airways Amampang for the inbound now. Inbound na to Manson. Binababa ang bola. Giras mo rin Amampang. Escat. Amampang. D-Mac. Driving Shong. Nope. It's lumawag. Pinasa pa. D-Mac. And one play binigay ni D-Mac. Okay, Qatar Airways stop for drop first blood. Qatar Airways so drop first blood. D-Mac 2 points plus possible 3-point play. Okay, number 18, D-Mac to complete the 3-point play. Yes, sir. Okay, 3-none. 10:45 remaining. Please take note po, nagsimula po tayo sa 12 minutes per quarter. Championship rules po yata ng as per house rules po ng QFBL rather. Number 9, nakuha. Drive, running shot, no good. Rebound, and whose ball rep? Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. It's same ball. As per referee, same ball daw. Number 8, inbounding. Lacambra, driving. Pinasa, nando si Manson, intercepted. Escap kagad. Amampang, tapos na kay Amampang yan. Doko hindi. Lumawag, walang foul. Lacambra pops up, no good. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts. Pops up, number 9. 3 points yan. Okay, tabla po tayo, 3-all. 3-all, number 9, 3 points ng GWC, 3-all. Okay, Montecillo is watching already. And of course, lumawag, hindi po pumasok. Number 69, binababa ang bola. Number 69, bring down the ball. Malakas, pero pumasok. Okay, lamang na po ang GWC. D-Mac, binababa ang bola. 5 3-point score natin at 9:16 remaining. D-Mac, Escat for 3. Bang! 3 points. Escat, 3 points. Balik muli po sa isang kalamangan ng Qatar Airways. Number 33, binababa ang bola. 9:02 remaining. Namampang, binapatay si number 33. Number 9, rather. Number 9. Running shot, 2 points. Hindi napigilan. Number 9. That's, wala siyang number 9 lang. Walang Manson for 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 69. Over lumawag. Binababa naman, 7-6 score. Lamang muli ang GWC. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. D-Mac, Amampang, kay lumawag. Binababa ang bola. Manson, lumawag si lalim, penetrating, and same ball. Okay, substitution now, number 16 in for number 33 ng GWC.
15 to shoot.
15 seconds remaining, 15 to shoot. Pops up, no good. Rebound, lumawag, malakas. Escat, dalawa sila, lumawag muli, malakas pa rin. Rebound battle, si D-Mac naman nanalo. Escat for 3. Bang! Escat, 3 points. Escat, 3 points na naman. Binalik muli po ang kalamangan na naman sa Qatar Airways at 8:03 remaining. Number 69, rolling shot, no good. Rebound by Manson. Again, chance now to capitulate more. Di Makulangan, D-Mac driving strong. 2 points di Makulangan. Di mo kailangan 2 points at 7:47 remaining. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Number 8, driving, pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by number 30. Number 16. Number 8 again. 69. Salazar for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points, Salazar. Okay, lamang muli. Lamang pa rin po ang Qatar Airways sa isa. 10-11 ang score po natin. At 7-18 first quarter action. Escat. Naipit. Nakuha. Still completed. Number 9. Driving strong. 2-on-2. Nakita naman o. Ormencia. Pops up for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Again, lamang na naman ang GWC ng dalawa. At 6:51 remaining. Amampang. Crossover. Amampang. Hop! Hindi umabot.
Follow jersey number 13.
Jersey number
Push shot by number 14.
Jersey number 30 called for the shot. Amampang shooting for 2. Pops up.
Number 3.
First shot.
Second personal foul.
Nope.
Number 30.
Second shot, jumpers ready. Amampang, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Yes, sir. Okay. 12-13. Laman po ng isa ang GWC. If Qatar Airways wins this, tapos na po ang kanilang serye. If GWC wins this, meron po tayong rubber match game number 3. 69, driving, Salazar. Omencia, number 8. Naipit. Salazar, Omencia, humingi ng bola. Ayaw bigyan. Number 10, pops up. Kapos. No good. Omencia. 2 points. Amampang. Number 48, Amampang. Kaya lumawag muna kay Scott. Thinking 3, ayaw. Ayaw, humapit ang cutter. Manson for 3. Nope. Rebound. Won by number 10. Number 9. Number 8. Nice D. Scott. Binatong bola kay Dimac. Dimac driving strong. Wala. Number 8. Number 69. Driving. Kick pass. Omencia. 3 pa ng 3 points. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. And a timeout call by Qatar Airways. Okay, they're sensing some issues already. Okay, just a ball game also at 18-12. Lamang na po ng 6 ang Team GWC over Qatar Airways. Yeah. 5:27 remaining. Finals rules po tayo. 12 minutes per quarter. The score is 18-12. Okay, nagpapalit na po. Si Enteng pumasok na. Para kay Manson. Si Enteng pumasok na. Okay, si Darkas din pumasok na rin para sa Qatar Airways. I think they put on some fresh legs already for the team. Scott nasa loob pa rin. Amampang. Enteng. Amampang. Driving strong. Amampang. No good. Rebound by the Blue Shirts again. Okay. Omencia. Salazar. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Number 19. 2 points. Number 16. What a putback by number 6 over Enteng. Pinababa ang bola ngayon. Amampang. Scott for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points sa Scott. Okay, laman po ng 5 pa rin po ang GWC Umabot po ng 8 as high as 8. Na binabambuli po sa 5 ang kalamangan ng GWC. Ormenita rather. Ormenita for 3. Nope. Foul for the Ormenita.
Foul on jersey number 27.
Scott called for a foul. Number 16, Akamar Makalalad shooting for 2. Makalalad shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot jumpers ready po tayo for both teams. Second shot ni Makalalad. Okay, it's in. Basket's in. Amampang. Driving Shong. Enteng. Kick. Ayun, sayang. Pero sa bola, sa blue dome bola, sa blue bola. Represents it's blue, it's blue. Okay, Amampang nilabas muna para kay Di Guzman. Okay, I think they're going up for the cold port press. Number 9, number 8. Ormenita. Salazar. Malakas. Rebound si Scott. Binababa ang bola ng Scott niyo. Scott. Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Ayan na. Darkas 2 points. Okay. Timeout naman yun. Okay. The timeout are called now by GWC. The score right is 21-17. 3:40 remaining sa ating first quarter action. This is your video on demand. Courtesy po sa aking kaibigan. Parang Viva Box to. Video on demand.
Yung papasok po, pakitang-kailangan tayo ng ating jersey. Bago tayo pumasok. Huwag natin pulahin para mapunta pa ng referee. Matawagan tayo ng referee.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ito ang bida. Okay, bola po ng GWC at 3:40 remaining, first quarter action. Malapit na po matapos. Malapit na po matapos po ang first quarter action. 6. Number 10, Calderon. Number 8, Salazar. Binabantay ni Darkas. Nakuha ng pick. Kaya si Enteng. Nakuha. Enteng. Darkas. Sobrang pasa. Sayang. Pinasa muli. Okay. Foul on Mercado. 2. Mercado called for a foul. Nice swipe sana ni Enteng. Pero di ni Buslo. Second team foul for Qatar Airways. Foul on Mercado. Mercado binapatay muna yung nasa Omenita. Calderon against Scott. Again, Mercado against Omenita. Pops up. Malakas. Pero pumasok. 3 points pa rin. 3 points. Back-to-back field goals yung Omenita. Malaki lamang muli sa 7. Mercado. 3 points din. Mercado also, nagpapakilala na ako si Mercado. Magaling mag 3 points, sabi niya. Salazar number 69. Salazar, binababa ang bola. Number 8 against Mercado. Mercado, binabantay na siya. Number 10, no good. Rebound battle won by Scott. Darkas. Di Guzman. Nandun. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee, same ball. Okay, binababa ngayon si Scott, inbounding the ball, 24-20 still. Di Guzman, Mercado for 3. No, rebound by Enteng. Again, Mercado. Di Guzman. Scott, tayo mag-isa, pops up. Wala. And Enteng. Sticky fingers, butterfingers. Di na siguro ang bola. Number 6. Binabatid ni Guzman. Number 9. Number 16. Number 9. Number 8. Number 8. Against Mercado. Number 6. Umulang pick. Di Guzman. Nag ng switch. Orminita. Isolation play. Running shot. Oh! Mabigat yan. Grabe. Steady. Cool as a cat si Orminita. Enteng naman. Dagas. Enteng. Mercado. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Also Mercado. Binawi nga. Okay, still apat pa rin po kalamangan. 1:15 remaining. Matatapos na po first quarter action. And Calderon. Binabati ng Mercado. Orminita. Number 8. Against Enteng. Pops up for 3. Pasok na naman. Orminita, 3 points again. Puro 3 points ang pinapakawala ni Orminita. Escat naman. Pops up. Yes, sir. 2 points. Di pa rin sapat niya. Kailangan bantayan yung nasa arko. Orminita again. 35 seconds remaining. First quarter. Patapos na. Orminita. Number 6.
Number 10.
Naipit. Number 6 again. Pinapatrade na siya. Teka lang. Sabi ng referee, traveling violation. Traveling violation. 18 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Chance to bring down either 3 points or 2 points. Escat, thinking 3. Wag muna raw, sabi niya. Mercado, Enteng, pops up. 2 points, Enteng. 2 seconds remaining. Binato ang bola. Malakas ang bola. Balik sa ilalim. Okay, ano sabi ng referee?
Galing sa basket. Dire-diretso yun.
Okay, sabi po.
Walang violation.
Galing po tayo basket. Oo nga, galing basket. Diretso.
Okay, as per rules daw, galing do basket po yun. Galing do basket po point, kaya continuous time daw po, sabi ng referee. Kaya wala na pong oras. Okay, that concludes na our first quarter action. The score is 29-26. Laman po ng tatlo ang GWC. Okay, nakita po natin po kung sino po bantayan po for both teams. I think si number 8 ng GWC. Steady po siya, parang malamig lang. Pero tumitira po siya ng 3. At the same time, sa kabila po, of course, nandun pa rin po si Mercado and Scott po. Ito yung kanyang wingman. No, so may mga switch sila. Okay. We're just waiting now for the second quarter to start. 29-26 po ang ating score po natin. Lamang po ang GWC. Yan. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, afterwards po, ang kailang second to fourth quarter po yata is only 10 minutes now. Ayan. First quarter lang pala yung 12 minutes. Yung remaining 3 quarters, 10 minutes na lang. Okay, as per rules po yan. Okay, second quarter action. Sino-sino po sila? Si Amampang, Salting, Melvin, Mercado, at si Mr. Dimac. Sabi naman si Navarro, number 12, number 5, number 8, number 30, at si number 69. Melvin. Navarro, pops up for 3. Pasok agad, nagpakilala. Navarro, 3 points. Balik muli po sa 6 ang kalamangan. 1. Talaga. Melvin. No good, malakas. On the ramp, fadeaway shot, 2 points again. That's number 5. Again, 12 minutes of basketball action muli tayo. Julius Babagay. Hoy, Julius, ba't wala ka dito? D-Mac. Nako, nilabas. Amampang. Hoy. Amampang shooting for 2. Amampang shooting for 2.
Foul number 30.
Nasaan ka, Babagay? Di ba kasama ka rito?
Third personal foul on jersey number
Okay, Amampang shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up. It's out. Kaltag.
Foul.
Second shot, Amampang. May lipad. Hop! Nullified.
Line by
Stepping on the line. May lipad ka. Sige, okay. Balik muli po tayo, number 69, Salazar, binababa ang bola. Okay, yung kanilang kapitan, Captain Salazar. Yan, Salazar. Salazar, Polante from Salazar. Salazar again, nag-Dimac. Hop! Dominate siya. Yung bumapanat, driving shong, duko sa ilalim, 2 points again. Okay, don't look now. It's a 10-point advantage ng GWC over Qatar Airways at 10:49 remaining. Wala na po silang timeout sa half na ito.
number 30, GWC, third personal foul.
Si number 8 na, single-handed din ng GWC, calling all the shots. Siya nagbibigay ng magagandang kalamangan po sa GWC. Okay, number 23, Saltig against Melvin. Binababa ang bola ni Melvin, muli pong bola. John Bacchian is watching. Mercado pops up. No good. Melvin, point blank, 2 points. Okay, 36-28, laman po ng 8. 10:31 remaining. Amampang against 69. Against Salazar, Amampang, binabantayan.
14,
Okay, D-Mac, tinetrail na si Uminitya.
10,
Number 9, pops up, 2 points. Di makulangan. And one play made. Given the continuity para kay
foul.
Iyan, lamang ng 8 ang kalaban nyo. GWC.
Third personal foul.
Pero meron
First.
Number 18, Dimokulangan for the bonus free throw. The score rate is 38-30. Lamang po ang GWC. D-Mac, second, last shot. It's in. Okay, 7. Melvin, ang Isabaro. Okay, Salting. Kick pass kay number 9. Number 9 naman for 3. No good. Rebound. Salting. Mercado. Amampang. No good. Foul called. Okay, Amampang ngayon naman ang nasa linya.
Foul on jersey number 8.
Number 8 called for a foul.
13 foul.
Okay, at 9:50 remaining, 38-31, GWC still leading the game. Gusto nilang makabawi. Amampang, first shot. It's in. Second throw jumpers ready para kay Amampang to trim the lead down to 5 points again. Hop. Okay, both basket made. 9:50 remaining, 38-33. Okay, Omarencia against Di Makulangan. Number 9 na naman, Agis Mercado. Number 9, Mercado. Naglalaban. Nandun, almost steal the ball. Orminicha, binigay kay number 9 na iyo mag-isa. Wala. Rebound ni Salting. Nope. Si Daisy. Foul on Salting for sure. Kanyang big man. Okay. Okay, tayo mo.
Foul on jersey number 23. Lucky foul.
Good ba? Tayo lang. Tayo lang yan. Pagpag lang yan.
First personal foul.
Okay, pagpag lang yan.
First foul.
Matibay yan. Okay, balik
14
tayo.
to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot.
14.
Okay, number 30 for the inbound. Number 30 for the inbound.
14.
Number 9. Number 12 against Melvin. Number 8.
10.
Number 8 against number against Melvin. Kick pass kay number 9. Wala. Rebound battle won by out of bounds. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Idol Nadera. Number 69. Salazar against sa Mampang.
10.
Binabantayan. Binabantayan naman. Melvin almost stole the ball. Number 12 for 3. Nope. Rebound. Si Daisy.
Foul on number 69.
Number 69 called for the foul.
30 foul.
Okay, called foul po si number 69. Third person na po na niya. I think he has to shift now the game. D-Mac malakas. Nakuha. Salting. Running shot. Wala. D-Mac naman. D-Mac. Kapos. Salting. Naku, nilabas. Hop. Foul on Melvin. Malayo pa yan.
Jersey number 29.
Melvin called for a foul.
Sabret.
Okay, sub muna po tayo. Okay, Melvin, labas muna. Okay, lumawag ko sa labas muna para kay Salting. Yung kanilang big man. Sayang, point blank yun. Pero tingnan natin. 30-30 score po natin. Number 12. Number 9 again. Number 9, binababang bola. Number 12 again. Number 12. Kumumuli po si number 8. Yung kanilang main man. The main man. Okay. D-Mac, binabantayan. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound, Mercado. Amampang, binababang bola. Amampang, D-Mac, power move, 2 points. Binatuwagan ng bola. Balik agad daw, sabi nila. Salazar, pops up, kapos. Again, on the rally na naman ng Qatar Airways. Escat, binababang bola. Escat. Lumawag, 2 points, Dukot, pasok. Okay, GWC called for the timeout. The score right is 38-37. Nagrally na po ngayon ang Qatar Airways. A 7-0 run being posted na by Qatar Airways sa eksenang iyon. At 7:45, the score is 38-37. Lamang po pa rin po ang GWC. This game is brought to you by Video on Demand. Parang Viva Max para sa aking kaibigan. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating ball game. Bida. Itong bida. Wala pa ng GWC. Okay, 33. Inbounding. Number 9. Kumuha ng bola. Binababa niya ang bola ngayon. Number 9, GWC. Binababa niya. Number 9.
14.
Makalalad. Number 9 again. Number 33. Binababa ang bola. Pa-ups up. 2 points. Nakabawi. Okay. Nakasigot sila doon. Balik muli po tayo. Ito na naman, si Mr. Amampang. Amampang, Escat kami ng bola. Escat for 3. Bang! Tabla! Deadlock tayo. At 7:10 remaining second quarter action. Deadlock po tayo ngayon. 33. Escat, binapatay sa number 33. Escat. Lumawag. Nahirapan. May foul si Lumawag. Sabit. Nasabit.
Two shot with number 16.
2 shot para kami siya makalalat.
Foul on jersey number 4.
Makalalat shooting for 2. Okay. Makalalat shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready po tayo. Okay. Makalalat second throw jumpers ready. Third dinner Canton, Boss Martin, baka naiwan mo. Ulit yung charger mo po ha. Hindi na. Amampang, driving show. Wala. Amampang. And one play binigay. Amampang, the Hasselman. Amampang, the Hasselman. Okay, the score is 42-40. Lamang muli po ang Qatar Airways. Amampang for the bonus free throw. Amampang. Wala. Binato. Escat intercepting. Mercado. Amampang na naman. 2-on-1. Amampang. 2 points Amampang. 40-45. 44-40. Laman po ng tapat. Muli po ang Qatar Airways. Kick pass. Salazar, nakalusot. Foul na naman si Lumawag.
Foul on jersey number 4.
Lumawag, second personal foul. One for penalty Qatar Airways. Salazar shooting for 2.
Push shot by number 69.
Pasok. Basket made. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, Salazar. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok pa rin. 6:20 remaining. 42-44. Okay, Amampang. Binababa muli ang bola. Mercado nilabas muna para kay Manson for 3. No! Dimac, foul call. Makalalad. Oh, teka lang. Okay, ano sabi ng referee? Okay, referee will says now they will now meet up. Kung ano po sabi po dyan. Okay, referee is now meeting now. Possible unspo foul. Possible unspo foul po ang maritawag ng referee. And the verdict is, ano ang hatol, Mr. Referee? Number 4. Unspo foul. Okay lang. Okay, unspo foul talaga sabi ng referee. Okay. Makalalat, unspo foul, Dimac ngayon, shooting for 2 plus ball possession. Oh. Dimac is in. Second shot, Dimac plus ball possession. Is out. Okay. 42-45 plus ball possession. Unspo po yun ha. Play the man, but play the ball, not the man. Okay, Dimac for 3. Tapos, Lumawag, nandun pala sa ilalim. Pasa pala yun. 5:57 remaining. 42-47, laman na 5. Salazar, binabantayan. Orminita, I guess, di makulangan. Orminita. Hindi pwede bigay sa king arko. Pops up for 3. Tapos, rebound. Escat, ako ang bola. Escat, binababa bola. Escat. Escat. Mali, pinasahan. Okay, going. 2 points. Salazar, 2 points. 42-4, 47. 5:25 remaining. Manson, Renzo to Di Guzman again. Di Guzman, binababa ang bola. Dimac. Naku, sayang, mali ang ginawa niya. Salazar muli, naiwang bola. Orminita, Nando Sila lumawag. 33-3, no good. Rebound by Dimac. Naka-rebound ngayon. Dimac, pinababa ang bola ni Dimac ngayon. Dimac. Blocking foul, sabi ng referee.
Blocking foul.
Okay. Aiden Luis sa third. Sinong lamang, boss? Lamang kayo, sir.
5 penalty situation, blocking foul.
Aiden Ruiz, lamang po ang Qatar Airways. 44-47.
Situation.
Penalty situation po ang GWC. Di ba kulangan shooting for 2 at 4:55 remaining. This will be a very, very long ball game that we have. First shot, it's good. Di makulangan, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Di makulangan, second throw, jumpers ready. At 4:55 remaining. Pops up. Basket made, both basket made. Okay, lamang muli po na 5 ang Qatar Airways. Number 33, binababa ang bola. Number 33, mag-isa, pops up. No good. Okay, Escat. Di Guzman muli, Di Guzman. Sabi, go team. Pops up, Manson. 3 points kagad. Binigay, Manson 3 points. 4:33 remaining. Kick pass. Nakalusot si number 9. No good. Number 9 muli. Nope, is dumawag. Di mo kulangan, rather. Escat na naman. Escat. Manson, nayo mag-isa. 3 points again. Okay, as an 11-point lead advantage now. Been posted though by Qatar Airways. Lamang po ng 11 at 3:59 remaining. 44-55. Orminita, running shot. Nope, it's number 10. Tapos, foul on. Who's foul rep? Tinulak daw kasi.
Foul on jersey number 69.
And
Third personal foul on jersey number 69.
number 69 called for the foul. Penalty situation on GWC. Pangatlo na ni Salazar also. Okay. Lumawag, shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made, di lumawag. 44-57 at 3:10 remaining. Manson, binabati si number 9. Nakalusot. Si Escat, nandun din, nakalusot pa rin siya. Number 9, binabati ni Manson. Salazar, no good. Okay, Escat, securing the ball. Di Guzman, binababa ang bola. Manson for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lumawag. 2 points Lumawag. 2 points. Binato na naman kay number 9. For 3. Pasok ang bola kay number 9. Okay, 12 kalamangan pa rin po ng Qatar Airways sa 3:08 remaining. Second quarter, patapos na rin. Escat. Offensive foul, Escat.
Offensive foul on jersey number 27. Second personal foul. Sub-head.
Anak ka ng kagaw ka talaga ka to. Okay, balik tayo. 47-59. Laman po ng 12 Qatar Airways sa 2:56 remaining. Nakabawi siya na big time. And now, number 33, Lacambra. Number 8, Orminita. Isolation play against Di Makulangan. Pops up, Salazar. 3 points kagad. 3 points back-to-back po. Field goals been posted. A 5-0 blast na been posted. Di Makulangan. Nakalusot. Di Makulangan. And Manson for 3. Bang! 50-62. Lamang lipo ng 12. 2:10 remaining. Number 69. Nobis, number 33. Number 9, number 9. Orminita, number 8. Against Di Makulangan naman. Dugisman, against Orminita. Orminita, running shot, no. Pops up, number 33. Kapos. Escat, binato. Intercepted ni Salazar. Oops, si Daisy. Foul ang Di Makulangan.
Foul against number 16. Penalty situation.
Penalty situation, Qatar Airways.
Penalty situation.
50-62. Salazar shooting for 2 at 1:46 remaining sa ating larong ito. Pops up, pasok ang bola. Second shot, jumper ready for Salazar. Salazar, second throw, pops up. Kapos, pero pumasok. Ginamit ang bounce ng ring. Okay. 52. Pinababa bola. Di Makulangan. 1:41 remaining. Di Guzman. Escat for 3. 3 points, Escat. 1:31 remaining. Lamang po ng labing tatlo ang Qatar Airways. 52-65. Number 6, lumawag, intercepted. Di Makulangan. Nice stop by number 8. Nice swipe. Nice swipe by number 8. Okay, Manson. Mukha ng bola, ayaw. Lumawak, ay the sky play. 2 points. 1:11 remaining. Lamang ng 15. Number 6, ang Diggsman. Pinapatay ng todo. Kinakalaan. Nakuha. Nakawala. Nakuha na Di Makulangan. Lumawag. Naku, malakas. Manson against number 8. Kick pass, Salazar. 2 points na yan. 2 points Salazar. 54-67. Labang ng 13. 38 seconds remaining. Sir Martin. Shooter talaga si Manson. Tama. Tama ka dyan, boss. Again, Nando. Nagbabantay na si number 8. Kick pass, Salazar. Salazar. Number 9. 2 points. Okay, 56-67. Labang po ng 11. Manson. 2 points Manson. Salazar. No, it's number 6. Pops up, palpal. And that's it. Okay, after 2 quarters of 12 minutes each, lamang po ng 13 ang Qatar Airways. 2 quarter pa po para malaman na sino mananalo. Set Qatar Airways will say, amin na po ang kampyonato. O sasabihin natin po ng GWC, hep, meron pa tayong game number 3. 24 minutes more after this po ng ating first half action.
Third quarter tayo.
Okay, back to the podium liputan yun. Third quarter action start again. Another 12 minutes of basketball action. Salting yung kanila big man for the inbound. Agwit Almampang, Escat, Enteng at si Mercado. Kabihan of course, Yusot po, number 6, 69, 16, number 9, at si number 8. Enteng. Enteng, power move. No good. Isa pa, Enteng muli. 2 points Enteng. Enteng, 2 points. No good. Amampang, Mercado. Scott. Scott for 3. Pasok na naman kay Scott. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 7. Pushing foul. 14 to shoot.
Enteng called for the foul. Number 8, out of bounds. Same ball.
Last touch tayo. 12 to shoot. 12.
Number 6, intercepted. Enteng. Enteng, binababa. Amampang. Escat. Nako. Escat. Escat, Enteng. Top of the key. 2 points, Enteng. The biggest lead so far by Qatar Airways at 20 points at 10:49 remaining. Orminita. Orminita for 3. Go. Number 6. Orminita again. Against Salting. Orminita. Malakas. Escat ng bola. Kick pass. Amampang. Suk mo na yan. 2 points. And a timeout called na by GWC for sure. The biggest lead so far now by Qatar Airways at 22 points. The score is 56-78. Nag-time out po ang GWC. Balik tayo. Number 9, Lacambra, 33. Binababang bola. Lacambra. Number 8, Omanita.
14. 10.
Salazar, ang isa Mampang. Paramount, same ball.
Sa clock. 7.
7 seconds remaining.
7.
Kickball.
Kickball. Bawa. Bawa.
2 points plus foul.
Basket count, foul on jersey number 48. Got a shot by number 16.
Jensen. Makalalad. 3-point play completed. 9:44 remaining. 59-78. Lamang po ng 19 ang Qatar Airways.
14,
Mampang. Enteng na naman.
10.
Enteng. Power move. 2 points kay Enteng. It's in the beard. Three points. La Cambra, 3 points. 62-80, an 18-point advantage still by Qatar Airways at 9:09 remaining.
40,
Salting! Foul called.
foul on jersey number 16. First team foul, PWC. Second personal foul, jersey number 16. Live violation.
Stepping.
Free throw, live violation.
Stepping.
Check po ang ating free throw bago tayo mag-shot. White line po tayo. White
First shot, nullified. Stepping daw siya kasi. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Last shot.
It's good. Pops up again. 3 points again. Back-to-back 3 points by number 33. Amampang, binabantay. Pop. Offensive foul on Amampang. Hayaan nga, sige na.
48, Tracy.
Amampang, go for offensive foul.
First team foul, Qatar Airways. 14 to shoot.
Dalawa. Number 33 ha. Back-to-back field goals po ginawa niya. Pops up. 2 points, number 8. 67-81. Labang muli ng 14. Ay. Okay, 2 points. And a timeout called now by Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways.
Okay, from the high of 22, down ng league po nila po sa 12. A 10-0 push na been posted na game by GWC at 8:24 remaining sa ating third quarter action. This is your QBFL Intercompany Championships featuring both teams of Qatar Airways playing in gold versus GWC playing in blue and white. Ang bola. Ito ang liga. Okay. Qatar Airways ball. Okay, si Darkas bumalik na rin along with Melvin. I think pinagpahinga muna yung ibang mga players po natin. Also with them is Di Makulangan, Manson, at iniwan lang po si Amampang para magtimon. Amampang, Jeff Fox Carmona is watching. Amampang, binatok Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan, pops up. No good. Okay, Salazar, binababa. Melvin, meron siyang binabantayan si number 8. Hop, foul on Darkas.
Foul on jersey number 19. Warning for penalty. Warning.
Darkas, foul on Darkas. 14 fouls, 1 for penalty.
14.
Number 8, Orminita. Salazar pushing. Nope, it's Orminita. No good. Rebound. Amampang. Binababa ang bola. Melvin. Naku, malakas. Rebound, Manson. And one play pabinigay by Darkas. Darkas, 2 points plus possible 3-point play.
Foul on your basketball. Foul on jersey number 9. Second team foul, PWC.
Pops up, Darkas, nilabas ng bola. 69-83, 14 ang kalamangan. GWC again, number 8, bumabanat na naman. Number 8 against Di Makulangan. Orminita. Lacambra against Melvin, pops up, no good. Rebound by Darkas. Amampang na naman, nagbabalik. Amampang, foul! Nice foul bait, job, Amampang.
Number 8.
Nice foul bait. Nice foul bait. 7:19 remaining. Amampang, no good. Okay, isa lang. Kailangan isa lang. Sabi daw nila, isa lang. Kahit isa lang daw, sabi kay Amampang. Amampang, second throw. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Amampang. 7:19 remaining. 69-84. Alam ang Qatar Airways, lamang po ng 15. Orminita. Lacambra against Melvin. Pops up. Foul on Melvin. Take 2.
Foul on jersey number 15.
Okay, sorry. Di mo ko lang call for a foul. Penalty situation, Qatar Airways also. Lacambra, no good. Second shot, Lacambra, jumpers ready. Lacambra, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok kay Lacambra. Di mo kulangan binabambola, di mo kulangan. Kick pass, nando si Darkas. Darkas, kapos. Rebound secured by the GWC people. Pinaso, kick ball sana. Club, Volante, nakuha yung bola. Number 9. Number 8. Number 30, pasa kay Salazar. Pops up. 3 points. Salazar, 3 points. 6:33 remaining. Labisa kalamangan ng Qatar Airways. Di makulangan. Up. Foul called.
9. Foul.
Di makulangan.
Warning pala.
Wala pala. Sorry. Warning for penalty. Manson for the inbound.
Warning on graduation number 69.
Amampang.
10.
Amampang. Driving. Amampang. Naipit. Hop. Blocking foul called by the referee.
Foul number 33. Blocking foul.
Number 33 called for the blocking foul. Number 33, Amampang, first shot.
Penalty situation.
First shot, Amampang. Pasok. Second shot, Amampang. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Pasok pareho. Oy! May foul. Foul on Darkas. Six. Okay, both teams now in penalty. Number 9. Number 9 shooting for 2. Okay, 73-86 ang kalamangan. 13 po kalamangan ng Qatar Airways over GWC. Number 9, no good. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Si Melvin, babad na babad ngayon. Okay, good. Okay, 74-86. Labang po na 12 na naman. From the high of 22 down to 12. Muli po ang kalamangan. No good. Up si Daisy, blue ball. 6 minutes remaining. Number 8, Omencia. Or Manita rather. Salazar. Lumawag, pinapapasok ko sa loob. Pops up, Kapos. Okay, secured ang bola. Qatar Airways. Amampang, binababang bola. Si Escat rin, papasok na rin. Para di masunog. Amampang, 2 points Amampang. Salazar, against Manson. Against Di Makulangan. Foul called. Again, foul si Di Makulangan. Who's foul rep? Again, Di Makulangan. Okay, Di Makulangan, labas muna. Anong with Darkas? Papasok yun si Scott. Tsaka si Lumawag. Okay, first shot ni Salazar is in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Salazar, second shot. Is out. Rebound, Lumawag. Okay, set lang daw, sabi. Set lang daw, Amampang. Amampang. Agent Ruiz, Yepes, habol ka. Di mo kailangan Escat. Menson for 3. Patayin, butiki. Orminita. Orminita. Orminita, naipit. Nakuha. Magaling magnakaw. Si Scott for 3. Kapos. Uy.
Foul on jersey number 48.
Okay, Amampang called for a foul.
Penalty situation. Both teams.
Okay, both teams now penalty. Hinatak ni Amampang si Salazar pababa. Okay, si Dimac tilabas muna para kay Mercado. 4:49 remaining. Holding foul binigay kay Amampang. Salazar shooting for 2. Penalty kasi sila. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Salazar, second throw. It's in. Both basket made. Again, lamang isa na naman kalamangan ng Qatar Airways. 4:47 remaining. Escat. Enteng. Lumawag. Malakas hanap. Pumasok. Lumawag 2 points. Swak sa banga. Ang bigyan ni Lumawag. Number 9. Number 8.
14.
Pops up number 10. Ayaw. Nice! Jolen si number 12. 2 points. Okay, labing isa na naman. 4:14 remaining. Enteng. Nope. It's Manson. No good. Number 9. It's Mercado. Navarro. Number 12. Navarro. No good. Rebound battle won by Manson. Lumawag. Manson na naman. Manson. Escat. Mercado. 2 points Mercado. Enteng. Nice swipe by Enteng. 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 Wala. Orminita. Okay. 2 on none. 2 points. Salazar 2 points. 81-92, 3:21 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Mercado. Escat. 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 Saan ka pupunta?
14.
Lumawag. Mercado. Pops up. Nako, nilabas. In and out. Okay, pababa na. To single digit niyan. 2:51 remaining. Salazar. Salazar. Nope.
14.
And number 8. Orminita. No good. Lumawag. Escat naman. Escat leading the charge. Escat. Escat. 2 points Escat. Julius lumaba. Oh, tama. Bumaba nila naman kanila. 22 yan. Ngayon, balik mo sa 13 kalamangan. Orminita. 2:17 remaining. Third quarter action. Matatapos na. Orminita. Wala. And si Enteng, mag-isa. Enteng. 2 points Enteng. Okay, substitution made now. Okay, timeout called by GWC. The score right now is 81-96. Laman po ng 15 ang Qatar Airways. 2:03 remaining na ito sa ating third quarter action.
And Tracks Road Warriors, Mr. Noy Landa, Igano Plasti, UFBL, since 2014, as TV.
GWC, isa na lang ang timeout. Qatar Airways, may dalawang timeout.
Okay, GWC, isa na po ang timeout po. Qatar Airways, meron pang 2 timeouts to call. 2:03 remaining. Bola po ng GWC.
Isa, Qatar Airways, balik tayo sa shoot.
Okay, balik muli po tayo. 69, GWC. GWC again inbounding. Si Salazar mag-inbound muli po against si number 33. Number 33. Number 69 again, Salazar. Si number 8, binabantay na ni Dimakulangan. Si Orminita. 148. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, lumawag. Okay, sabi daw, ano muna? Huwag tayong matake. Hepep lang daw tayo. Hepep, mama ni Horay. Dimak, Enteng. Eskat, top end, bola kay Enteng. Foul! Wala. Nawala ang bola kay Scott. Nawala ang bola kay Scott. 1:27 remaining. 81-96. 69. Salazar, binababa ang bola. Salazar guys lumawag. Uy! Salazar for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Salazar. 83-96. 84-96 rather. Okay, 12 na naman ang kalamangan. Escat. Dimak. Escat. Enteng. 2 points Enteng. Si Enteng lang. It's in the beard. Nasa balbas ang kalakasan ni Enteng. Okay. Number 8. 45 seconds remaining. Orminita for 3. No good. Rebound by number 33. Number 9. No good. Rebound by Scott. Scott completed the rebound. Binato kay Mercado. 2 points na yan. Tala mo na. Mercado 2 points. Tala mo na sa bato yan. And Salazar. Salazar against Enteng. No good. Enteng naka-rebound. Enteng muli. Binababa ang bola. Enteng. Enteng. Binasa Dimac. 2 points Dimac. Okay, number 8. Kick pass. Salazar against Scott. Orminita for 3. No good. Okay, that's it. Okay, after 3 quarters of basketball action, naman pa rin po ang Qatar Airways. The score is 84-102. It is a 18-point lead advantage being posted again by Qatar Airways. Bumaba na po yung kalaman po kanina po into 11 points pero nibalik muli po nila ang kanilang kalamangan. Okay, magantay po tayo for the fourth and final quarter. Another 12 minutes, final 12 minutes coming up sa ating QFBL Championships. Class po yan po yung intercompany class. Katlaman po ang Qatar Airways over GWC. Okay, GWC basketball. Gandang boses ah. Parang DJ yung boses ah. GWC Basketball. Parang ano ganda ng boses ng sir GWC Basketball. Parang ganda Parang DJ Oh. DJ, bumuboses Okay, Lacambra, number 33 for the inbound for GWC. Papasa po kay Mr. Salazar. Salazar against Dumawag. Final 12 minutes now on the way. Salazar, no. It's Orminita. Kumuha ng pick. Pops up for 3. No good. Mercado. Okay, sabi daw, hip mo lang daw, sabi ni Scott. Sway lang daw tayo. Sway lang. Mercado. Mr. Di Makulangan. Scott. D-Mac, dope. It's Mercado. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds for Qatar Airways. Ang gadget niya. Pang highlights. Di Makulangan. Yes. Nakalusot. Traveling nga lang. Traveling violation called on Di Makulangan. 11-13 remaining sa ating laro po nito. 84-102 still. Hop! Nawala ang bola. Number 9. Foul, Mercado. Sumabit si Mercado. Sumabit si Mercado. Number 9 shooting for 2. 84-102 ang lamang labanan ngayon. It's in. 85-102. Okay, 17-point advantage still been posted by Qatar Airways. No good. Rebound Mercado. Enteng muli. Di Makulangan. Lumawag. Ilalim. Pasok. Lumawag yung kanyang binabayaran sa kanya, yung dukot sa ilalim, pumapasok talaga yan. Idol po namin si Renzo Barzon. Sabi ni Julius Mabagay, Salazar na naman, against Enteng, swipe away. Lumawag muli, 2 points lumawag. Again, nakuha mo ni Enteng ang bola. Enteng naman. Enteng. 2 points, Enteng. Enteng, 2 points. Mukhang may nakambadong ganun 9:55 remaining. Number 9. Hop! 2 points, number 16. 9:47 remaining. 87-108. Laman po ng 11. Hindi. Laman po ng 21. 21 point advantage by Qatar Airways. Enteng. Mercado. No good. Rebound by Salazar. Hop. Okay. Orminita. 2 points, Orminita. 2 points. Scott for 3. Pasok kay Scott ang bola. Scott, 3 points. Pasok. Lacambra. Orminita against Di Makulangan. Pops up Lacambra. No good. Rebound by Enteng muli. Enteng. Scott, mag-isa. Pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Scott. Okay. 89-114. And a time of call again by GWC. Okay, 114-89. A commanding 89-109. A commanding 26-point lead. A commanding 25-point lead advantage over GWC by Qatar Airways. And also, thank you pala po sa QBFL para po sa kung allowing me to set up also may live stream po dito sa ligang ito. Kudos po sa inyo, and of course you can catch their games at the QBFL Facebook channel nila. Okay? Catch their games, so weekly games po yan po ng QBFL. Yan po ang QBFL, ang pagbabalik liga ng mga astig. Okay. Okay, number 30. 8:17 remaining. Number 9. Okay, si Scott tinupong muna. Alam, Forty Guzman. Si Manso pinasok na rin. O si Salting pinasok na rin. Amampang lang ang mapinang. Si Amampang nandiyan na rin muli. Orminita. Binabantayan. Number 33. Dukot, Balalim. Salting. Amampang, Salting, malalim, no good. Isa pa. And nakuha ng blue shirts. Pops up number 9, no good. Digisman. 7:24 remaining. Di mo kulangan. 20 seconds, shot clock.
4:36.
Di mo kulangan. Manson for 3. Wala. Amampang, malalim, palpal. Okay, number 9. Pulante. Orminita. Nice swipe by Salting. Binigay na kay Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan, sinubo na lang. 2 points. Orminita, pinababa ang bola. Orminita. Number 8. A foul called on Manson. 6:50 remaining. Okay, the looks of it, I think Qatar Airways now is winning at 6:50 remaining unless GWC will do some necessary stops para po makahabol at eventually matalo po nila ang Qatar Airways to force game number 3. Joseph o si Jepox Carmona yan. Okay, number 33. Okay, number 69, si Salazar, pinasok muna na rin para kay number 9. Oy, boss, idol. Hindi naman. Meron pa ako, ma'am, eh. Oh, lumawag, boss, ano. Pagod na.
6 minutes, 4 seconds.
Swipe away by Salazar. Guarded heavily, no good. Rebound, uy! Manson! Pops up! 3 points, Manson. Time out muna. Injury time out. Tama. Okay, may injury time po tayo. Yung isang GWC na aniyata na ano. Okay. Okay, di mo na pinapatayo muna. Lagi si naduguan. Nabasag. Okay. Okay, ano tayo? May injury time at lang po tayo, ha? Magbabalik po tayo at 6:21 remaining. 91-19 ang score po natin. A 29-point advantage na binenjoyed by Qatar Airways. Teka lang, ha? Pwede yata.
Pwede.
Oh, pwede. Okay. There's a review done. There's a disqualifying to be slapped now. Number 30. Thrown out. Okay, number 30 thrown out po. Dahil kasi natama sa ilong, sa ilong, yung tinamaan sa ilong. Okay, for sure ay ikakaptak na po natin ito, kung ano to. Okay, game na. 6:21 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. After reviewing po, it has proven now to be checked out. The videos po, si number 30 ng Qatar Airways po was given a slap, a disqualification foul or thrown out po siya out of the playing court po. Dahil kasi na-injury si Salazar, si number 69 ng GWC. Okay. GWC, na-injure po siya. Kahit di naman sinasadya, pero still, pag naka-injury yata, automatic DQ kagad yun, DQ foul kagad yun. Or thrown out kagad. As per rules po yan of sa laro, sa ligang pong ito. Okay, so nangyari pong yun, si number 30 ng Qatar Airways, thrown out po siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng maglalaro. Okay. Okay, I think already now also they conceded already. At 6:19 remaining, they conceded already. And of course, winner now. And automatic champion na po sila po. Yan po ang Qatar Airways. Kaya congratulations po Qatar Airways. And kudos po sa GWC for giving a good game po. Maraming salamat po. And of course, muli po ako sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju. This event Horizon Vlogs channel. Maraming salamat po. Okay, conceded already na po ang GWC and automatically po Qatar Airways now is now crowned now the champion now para po sa ating intercompany final score 119-90. Champion Qatar Airways, final score 119-90. Maraming salamat po. Again po, ako si Arvin G Vlogs and papunta po tayo sa ating post-game activities. Thank you very much.